So the last letter on our quest to get lean for life is P for protein, arguably the most important letter, which is why I did the twin analogy earlier about getting your meds, meat, eggs, dairy, and seafood in every single meal. And if you don't have meds, that's when I would have a protein shake on the side. And there are several reasons why, and dozens of research studies backing up why high protein dieters always win the weight loss race. So the first thing I do with my high level guys and girls is I put them on a higher protein intake right away. I increase their protein in every single meal because I know it's going to boost their metabolism through TEF, or the thermic effect of food, because just the act of digesting protein increases our metabolic rate higher than when we digest fats and carbohydrates because it creates a higher DIT, or diet-induced thermogenesis. Also, one of the number one side effects of dieting is a slower metabolism and muscle loss. And protein is going to prevent both of those things because it's the only macro that not only speeds up metabolic rate, it also prevents muscle loss and promotes muscle gain because it's a building block macronutrient, unlike fats and carbohydrates, where are more energy and storage units, making them much easier to store as fat or create a fat storing environment. It's very hard and difficult to store protein as fat. That's why when you see studies where they take two groups of dieters and they give one group 500 to 800 more calories per day, but those calories are solely from protein, they'll lose just as much weight and probably gain more muscle and lose less muscle than the other group. And there's multiple studies backing this up. So never underestimate the power of protein. If you exercise, you want 1 gram per pound of your goal body weight on a daily basis. If you happen to be sedentary, get at least 0.6 grams per pound of your goal body weight on a daily basis. I always tell sedentary people, err on the margin of going higher, try to shoot for 0.7 at least, because again, it's very hard to store protein as fat. And it just shows side-by-side studies that dieters who eat more protein are also just going to eat less calories in general because it is the most satiating nutrient. So never underestimate the power of protein, and make sure you get your meds in every meal. So if you like this video and you got something out of it, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Head on over and join our free 14-day Hormone Reset Challenge school community, where we're going to give you instant access to our Rapid Fat Loss Starter Kit, 100% free. Now, a lot of people will say, okay, what's the catch here? Why are you giving this away for free? And I can tell you, after 2+ decades of being a fitness pro, spending the last 15 years, I sold over 1 million ebooks, I've identified the number one reason people fail. First of all, it's because the weight loss industry in general is broken, and 94% of all dieters regain all or more of the weight that they lose because they don't understand how to build a lifestyle of leanness. See, it's all about sustainability and adherence. And trying to use social media doesn't work as well. Research shows it leads to the comparison trap, which leads to more unhappiness and more depression. And school has overcome this problem. And when you head on over and you get free instant access to our Rapid Fat Loss Starter Kit today, you're going to be part of a like-minded community, a group of people your age who share your struggles and your same goals, and will help you build lifestyle habits so that you can use these to stay lean until you're 90 or 100 years old if you want. So thanks for watching this, and God bless.